I started a new little notebook to practice circuits, and the thing I'm going to make into a card today is a sliding switch circuit. So if you press here right on the battery and then slide your finger along, you can turn the lights on individually. So I'm going to do that in a card that is a 4th of July card. So this is what the image is going to look like in the card. So that's the front of the card, and then this is going to be the inside of the card where I'm going to make the circuit. And so I'm going to attach the two together first. Just do a little glue on the back flap here, and we will attach that right there. Move it down. All right, so now it's time to make the circuit inside. So I need to mark where my lights are going to be. I'm going to have 1, 2, and 3 lights. And I'm going to have 3 different colors for 3 different fireworks. And I'm going to use a 3-volt battery. And I normally attach my 3-volt batteries using a little tape donut, which I roll from a piece of copper tape. So roll it up just like this and attach it to the bottom of the battery. Okay, so I marked where my 3 different lights are going to be. They're going to be right here inside of my card. And now I need to map out my circuit. And I need to have my copper tape pretty close on the top because the lights are at varying heights and I need them to be able to reach. So that's going to be my first line of copper tape, and then it's going to go down here and it's going to match up with where my battery is there. So that's the first thing that we need to do. So let me test out my lights and make sure they work. They have a long leg and a short leg. The long leg goes on the positive side or the top side of the battery, so that one works just fine. We're going to go ahead and attach that after I get my tape down. Let's test out this one. Blue, great. And this is a white one, fabulous. Those all look good. So let's add that copper tape. It goes here, and I need to bend it. That's the hardest part. So I'm going to peel off the adhesive backing, and you put the tape down like this. And then, oops, my tape broke. You can never use a piece of broken tape. Once it breaks, that will break your whole circuit. So I'll try again. Okay. It'll just be a short circuit. Even if I tape right on top, the adhesive side of my copper tape is not conductive, so that will not work with this type. Okay. So I want to fold it down, so I fold it in the opposite direction, making a little corner, and then go right down here. And that's where I'm going to attach my battery, like I said there. And the short leg needs to connect here because that's where the bottom of the battery is going to go. So all of my short legs are going to go this way to connect to this. And then I need to be able to connect to my other piece of foil, and my other piece of foil on this one is actually going to be up here, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that in just a second. So I need to put this here. That's how that's going to connect. And then this one can go right here. I think these should all be long enough to reach where I want them to. One. Two. The last one. 3. And this is just a special setup to make it a sliding switch where I can turn on one of them at a time. I thought fireworks type stuff was a good use of this type of switch. Make sure that's stuck down. And the next one, making sure it's stuck down there. We have two more. The short leg needs to be connecting to this piece because that's going to the bottom of the battery. That's the negative side. I hope I get a strong enough connection there. I think that should work. Two, and then my last light, short leg going up to that upper piece of tape. Tape that down, make sure it's really tight. And then my other one down here. And then I need to connect this to each of them. Oh, so the lights work. Let's make sure they really get in there. Good. On this middle one, that looks great. Huh. Wonder if I need to have, oh there, perfect. Huh. Great. It's dancing around. So I need to attach this just like this, but to the top part of my card. And I wasn't planning on doing it this way, but I think to get it in the right spot, I might just take off the backing here. Like this on this part, and I make sure all the lights work. If I press right in their spot, that's good. And then I'm going to flip the card down, and that's going to help me get it in the right spot. And then I can just tape it down like this. Okay, so to make it work on the front of the card, I'm going to flip it down, make sure all of my lights fit into the holes. They might need to be adjusted slightly. That one's a little bit up. That one's a little bit down. All right, now we're in the holes. This is where the battery is, so I'll make a little power button here. And like I said, this one is a slider, so I need to push on the power button and then slide my finger across to light up the different lights. Oh, fun. Let's make sure we can get that first one to work. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, there we go. All right. So now I have my hand on the power button, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and I can slide and turn them on. It really reminds me of fireworks.